on the issues of illicit brews and drug abuse so that we continue to educate our people and to create more awareness around them through performances. I was very pleased to see a dance on Cherono about the banditry and cattle rustling activities in the North Rift. Those are good social interventions for society, and I want to urge you to continue. Of course, the play of the day, The Eyes Have It by Riara, was a masterpiece. People must stop living in denial and be like Rigathi Gachagua, the truth of men. That play is a must for the Azimio brigade. You need to perform that play to them so that they live with reality that the elections are over and William Ruto is the president of the Republic of Kenya. People must not continue living in denial. People must accept reality. They must accept circumstances and learn how to live with them. We want to urge them to accept reality and learn how to live and move on, because that is the reality. So, Your Excellency, we are very pleased, and this should happen more often. And we are very pleased and we are very relaxed, and I think by tomorrow we'll be better people as we continue to serve the people of this country. I want to request with humility all of you to be upstanding and help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya. Mr. President.